Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a new update on SUI, a crypto I have been covering quite a bit because, well personally I've just been looking for some trades on it, and apart from that the movement has been good for some opportunities, alright? And now we actually got a pretty big crash, partially caused by bearish momentum from Bitcoin, but apart from that there was also something that was quite bearish from SUI. Which we also talked about in the last video, but in this video we'll do kind of a recap and what to expect from here. I have a pretty solid opinion on it. Whether that opinion on it is true or not, we'll see, of course. But I'll tell you about it, and I'll tell you why I think something that I think is going to happen is going to happen, and that's just what we'll do. So before we dive into it, before we dive into SUI, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, but you also gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you're interested in that, if you want to become a better trader, I would say this is the best way to do so. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment, or you can just head on over to cilinix.com. But for now, onto SUI. So first of all, what I've said in the last two videos as well. So if you haven't watched those videos, then first of all, welcome to the channel. But second of all, let's check it out. Is that it's most likely that SUI is manipulated. Like if you take a look at the volume, a lot of volume coming from BYBIT, Top Credit, and SuperX. Usually, if a lot of volume is coming from those exchanges, there's manipulation going on. And what we're seeing right now is that the volume has dropped down significantly, which was already bearish confirmation. Then we also dropped down below the 200 EMA, which should have already been enough bearish confirmation to short. If that wasn't enough, the break of the 0.382 FIB should have been enough. But basically, we got major bearish confirmation right here by dropping down below the 58 cents level. And then it was done. So I do think the manipulation is done. I would say that there's, like with manipulated cryptos, it's always very hard, all right? Sometimes they can all of a sudden spike up where you would have never believed that anymore. So I would say there's still like a 10% chance that we break above 58 cents. And if we break above 58 cents right now, we'll instantly get up to 65 cents. Like this is a possibility. But the chances are so low that I would never take a trade on this, all right? At least not before getting that bullish confirmation by breaking above 58 cents. I think it's more likely, especially with the volume dropping down like it is right now, given the technical bearish confirmation that we have seen, because it's not only theoretical, it's also just 100% what we've seen. And then also Bitcoin not being the strongest right now leads me to believe that it's way more likely that we will at least drop down to this level right here at 50 cents. I think 50 cents can actually hold for a little bit longer. Obviously, if you zoom out, you'll see that SUI is in a big downtrend, basically since the 22nd of June. So whether we are going to be able to stop that or not with 50 cents is a bit of a different question. But I think initially 50 cents is going to provide some support. And then, I mean, if Bitcoin stays weak like this, then it's just going to be a matter of time before 50 cents breaks. And that will drop down to this level right here, around 45 cents. Technically, again. But that's my take on SUI for now. That's everything I wanted to say, I think. If you do have any questions, though, let me know down in the comments. And for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.